Welcome, ladies and gents. Issues with the Lexus. So, Lexus wheels have been curbed. I know, awful, but let me tell you a story. You can look at little Jasper and you can see my new wheels there. So let me tell you a story. In the UK, and I'm sure it's the same literally wherever you go, but ambulances, goddamn ambulances, they have such a disregard for anything. So when you see them coming by, you've just got to pull over. So I pulled over what I thought was a drop curb. It was a drop curb, but the Lexus, the LC500, is a bit of a boat. And I love it, but it fucked my wheels up. And I mean, it fucked them up bad. So I then was like, right, well, I can get them just repaired. There's a great wheel place in this area that did the Pulsar's wheels, did a great job. Contacted them, no, we can't do it. Why can't we do it? Because it's chrome. We've got to send it off to get de-chromed, then send it back. They'll re-chrome it, but it won't be the same color because it'll be a paint, so you've got to do all four. And I was like, what? It just spiraled and spiraled and spiraled. So then I was like, right, well, what I'll do, it's only two wheels. They can't be that expensive, can they? Surely not. I go on eBay, they're $2,500 a wheel. 2.3 was the cheapest. I want the wheels. I don't want to pay that much, and I don't want to change the wheels. I then hop on Yahoo Auctions Japan. I find a set of 4 for £750. I won the auction for £770. Then paid shipping, which was, I think it was about $250 a wheel. So that's £4,000, £700 plus an extra $300 for tax and import fees. £2,000 for 4 wheels. I know it's a lot of money, but on a car like the Lexus LC500, you want everything to be spick and span, as nice as possible. I haven't opened them yet. I thought I'd tell you this story first, and then we're going to see if they're fucked, because I don't know if they're fucked. So let's go open these new wheels and hope and pray that they're actually good. You would have seen the images of the wheels which I curbed. So let's see if these wheels are any good. I'm going to have them laid out on this couch with my little boy there, who is sleepy. But yeah, so we'll lay them out all along here, and I'll get a knife and we'll open them up together and see if they're good. I hope they're good. Pray for me, ladies and gentlemen. The boxes are so bloody big. I'm just doing two at a time, basically. I love Yahoo Auctions Japan, but I will say this: they did not pack these right. Like, I already know that there's actually no protection in here. You can tell that there's no protection. So, as much as I like Yahoo Auctions Japan, they need to get their shit together. I still have not checked that car, the Pulsar, to see if it works yet or not. I'm kind of putting that off because I'm a bit upset by the Pulsar. So, quick update. Ooh, okay. A little bit of dirt. But it's the face that matters. Please, please. I only need 2 to work, and then it would have still been cheaper than buying new ones. Come on, there's no recourse when you buy from Yahoo Auctions Japan, so this was really risky. Please, please. Please. I'm doing alright. This one's okay so far. Oh! Please. Yes! Yes! We got one good one. What's that mark there? Oh no. That's so light that that's the reflection of the roof. We've got one really good one. Yes. Any of these little marks that you keep seeing is actually reflections of stuff up there or me. That's really good. Yes. So we're quids in already, ladies and gents. That, if I was to buy that new in the UK, £2,500. So we're quids in already. Yes. That's bloody amazing. I only need 2 to be good. Remember, ladies and gents, I only need 2 to be good. Wow, okay. This is tense. This is tense. Come on, please be good. Have some Jasper for your troubles. Sorry, mate. Sorry, mate. Right, okay. Looking good. We're looking good, ladies and gents. We are looking good. Let's flip it. I hope this is good. I really do. Because this one, you can see there's a light scuff there, just from where it was hitting that part of the box. So I'm hoping, I mean, they look pretty decent all in. It's the faces that really matter. Oh, please. Oh, this looks good too. Oh, ladies and gents. Fucking win. Such a win. These are perfect. These are absolutely perfect. There's no issues at all. There's a slight chunk there, but that's fine. You can hear it, but that's fine. Again, a slight bit there, maybe, but nowhere near as bad as what I've got on the car at the moment. That's really good. Maybe a little bit there. That's so good. I'm going to put these away. This is a win. I'm going to put this away and then get the other two out, which are over there. And then let's hope and pray that this is good. One of the main reasons why this is also not such a big deal getting these is all of the tyres on the Lexus at the moment are like bad. They're basically from new. I need to put Pilot Sport 4S's on there. This is really good. I'm really happy with this. So anyway, let's get the other boxes and we'll open them all up and hope and pray. I think we're good because I only need 2 to be good, and the cost of it is the equivalent of 1, and I've got 4. Or if I got 2, I got 2. 2 would have been 5 grand, and I've only paid like 2 grand. So it's a win basically. I know it's expensive, but it's still a win. It is a win. Well, ladies and gents, we are winning. We've got 4 perfect wheels. No issue at all. 4 perfect wheels. There's 5 grand's worth of wheels for 2 grand. I'm so proud of that. They were so hard to find. Oh, that's so good. Look at it. This is amazing. Absolutely brilliant. Super, super nice. So what I will probably do, these will all go on the car. I'll probably have to, yeah, these will all go on the car. The ones which are on there will come off. And then I'll probably send them off to get redone all as one. So then I've got a spare set refinished. It won't be the same chrome. This is the problem that I ran into with this stuff. Is that this is a very like particular chrome. So it won't be the same chrome, but that's okay because they'll all be the same. And then I can still be able to drive my car. So there you go. Bit of a first world problem video, but I thought you'd find this interesting. It's just a bit of a shit show, really. Ambulances suck, but they do a good job. No disrespect. Just be careful, I guess, where you're pulling over. Anyway, thought you'd enjoy this video. Yahoo Auctions Japan, ladies and gents. Definitely have a look. It's where I bought the bumper for the Pulsar. You need to get on it, guys. Get on it. Yahoo Auctions Japan, the best. Really, really, really good. When in doubt, Yahoo Auctions Japan. It's the shipping fees and the tax that will get you, but still, this is cheap. Like 2 grand for 10 grand's worth of tire for wheels, and they're so light as well. Like these aren't heavy. They're super lightweight. Really, really good. Really pleased. So from me and Jasper, good boy. From me and Jasper. So from me and Jasper, I've had to record this again because the battery died. Me and little JJ Bean. Thanks so much for watching. I still don't really know what I'm doing with this channel in terms of the uploads. I was trying to get 2 a week, getting back to the normal schedule. Might just be 1 a week, but we'll try. We will try. There's a whole bunch of other stuff that I do that I don't think you'll be that interested in, gym and shit like that. But car stuff, this is a car channel, so I'd like to keep it busy. But anyway, Yahoo Auctions Japan, get on it. Cheers. Bye-bye.